Hi, I'm Tom, and I've always had a passion for cheap, fast sailing boats and making them better. This is my 2007 foiling Moth that I recently purchased off Facebook Marketplace for just $100. In this series, we're going to finish off the boat, get it out on the water, and then find out how fast you can go, how much fun you can have, and if you're even competitive on a boat that costs just $100. Alright, so it's Tuesday night now, and today I get to do the exact same thing I did yesterday, but on the other wing. So back into it with the 400 grit, and try and smooth it off like I did with this one. Came up pretty good, so happy with it. Just need to get into it and do this side. Hopefully I can do this tonight, the hull tomorrow night, and then the weather towards the end of the week looks quite sort of mild overnight. I might be able to actually get another coat of undercoat on probably Thursday night, and then one final sand Friday night. Then I can do, say, 2 layers of top coat on the weekend. Yeah, then it'll be painted, all going well. Okay, so it's, Wednesday night now, about 8:45. Just ducked down to Bunnings and picked up some more sandpaper. I was actually down to 600 grit on this section because I ran out of 400. Now I'm going to go use some, I might even use some 120 just to sort of get it roughed out the way I want it. And then I'll jump into the 240 because that took me like ages to do this much boat. As they say, sort of great boats aren't built, they're sanded into existence. So this is a part where I've just got to get stuck in, and my arm hurts and I'm tired, and yeah, it's been a big week already, but I've just got to get it finished. Otherwise this thing's never going to get painted, and running out of time before the season kicks off. So got my headphones, got Shirley Robertson's sailing podcast going, and this episode's about Pete Goss, so hopefully I'll get to hear about Aquaquorum and the Canton Keel and the 96 Vendée and Team Phillips and all sorts of cool stuff. So I'm looking forward to that, and I'm just going to get into it and keep sanding away. Okay, about 10:30ish, a bit earlier maybe. I got it done just. So tomorrow night I can sand off the few little bits of bog I put on, just to tidy up any little imperfections, and then one more coat of undercoat because it's going to be a pretty warm night tomorrow night. Give that a sand Friday, on track to paint the top coat on the weekend. So yeah, had to push hard tonight and get it done, otherwise I was going to fall behind and would have lost another week. So yeah, big effort, but glad it's done. Right, so it's Thursday night now. Pretty breezy night, but there's a northerly in, and that's going to keep it nice and warm overnight. So I'm just going to sand off that bog that I put on yesterday. Then I'm going to give the boat a really thorough cleaning, and then put on my final coat of undercoat so that tomorrow night that can be sanded back lightly, and put on the top coat on the weekend, and then that'll be the bottom of the boat painted, and get on to the next stage. So it's exciting, but a lot of work. that's that done. 3 layers of undercoat all up. As you can see, it's still pretty light on, but I really just didn't want to keep putting more and more and more on. I'm hoping that the red paint kind of covers up the darker little carbon blotches poking through. I can always do a few coats of that, or I have to do at least like 2 coats. So yeah, we'll see how this turns up in the morning. It's already starting to sort of go off, so that's good. Okay, so it's Friday night now. Pretty happy with how last night's final top coat came up. So now I'm just gonna, one more time, sand the whole thing by hand. Got my headphones, whack on some kind of podcast and just get it done. It's a lot of work. I'm tired, my arms ache. I've been doing this for like 5 days now. But gotta get it finished, then I can get back into the fun stuff of rigging this thing up and eventually getting it on the water, which we won't be too far away from once it's painted. Bit of clear coating to do, I think it's on the wings, so I'll have to have a look at where that needs to be. Tidy up that Vang attachment, and then it's just finish off the rigging and stuff. So that'll be a lot more interesting. So let's just keep going and get this done. And thanks to all the new subscribers that have popped up over the past few days. I don't know why that's happened, but it seems like that last Trimaran video is getting out to a few more people. Yeah, up to like 820 subscribers or something, which is crazy. Yeah, goal's kind of 1,000 in the back of my head. That's what I've been aiming at for 6 months or so. So yeah, keep chipping away and we'll get there eventually. Okay, so 10:30 at night, just got it done. It's alright. It's it'll be interesting to see how it comes up with top coat on it. It's still got some slight imperfections, but I think a lot of them are just from where I've sanded off too much paint. So, okay, Saturday, got an absolutely ripper day for painting, like sunny and 10 knots of breeze. So I'm just going to give it one more good clean with the wax and grease remover, make sure it's spotless, and then get into the top coat. Okay, so for paint, I've got the Australian-made Norglass in the Fleet Red. So I went with the single pack because obviously the environment I'm doing this in isn't that good, and I didn't know what the weather's going to be like, and I don't really have any fancy equipment. So I thought I'll just single pack simple, just whack it on, and it should work. It says I can use up to 5% thinners of the thinner I've actually got to assist flow, so I'll just use just the slightest amount of that, and just roll it on. I assume I use the same short nap roller I used before. I think for this one I'll just stick with what I've been doing because it's been working well.
What to do? Could somebody come and take me away? I've been in the deep without you, and I got it in my head night and day. But we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine, and we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, moving on. Oh, it looks like we made it.
Right, so that went pretty well. Ended up just pretty much rolling most of it because when I tried to use the brush, it sort of left streaks. So yeah, it came up half decent. You can still definitely see through it, but hopefully tomorrow's coat fixes that up. Yeah, pretty happy with that. I like the colour as expected. So yeah, getting there. Alright, so it's Sunday morning, time to get the second coat on. Really happy with how this is looking so far, but yeah, I think it'll look even better with the second coat to fill in all of the kind of little blemishes where you can still see carbon bits and stuff through it. Let's just mix up some more paint and do another layer.
this tree I've been in. I need to get in closer to you. I swear you might succeed. Oh baby, I've been waiting for you. Now we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby?
Okay, so that went pretty well. Easy enough. I think that'll do as a final top coat. I'll probably just sand that back over the next couple of days just to really smooth it off, get rid of any orange peel. I probably could do like 2 more top coats if I wanted to have it absolutely perfect. But every coat of paint I do is 250 grams, so keep adding more and more and more weight. I think I'll just leave it there. Happy with that. I'll probably finish this video here as well. Thanks for watching this week's episode, and remember to like and subscribe and show any friends that you think might like it. And next week we should flip it back up the right way and start on the top side.
It's the end of the line.